Welcome to my channel. My name is Clara. I hope you are all doing great. And this video is a little bit spontaneous. I would like to show you my food shopping haul as I just got from the store. I also need to fill up my food boxes and make some reorganization. And it is gonna be quick because we don't have the whole day. So let's do that. So we have here lots of yummy stuff. I had to buy more fruits as usual because we were going to one event and I supposed it to create a fruit plate, and let's give it to it closer look. I have here oranges and mee noodles which I use in my recipe. I will link that also below, it's already up. They didn't have other than this huge zucchini, which I also used in my vegan red curry recipe. I will link that also below. You can see oat milk, one is completely unsweetened and one is without added sugar. Then we have here banana, which I eat every day for a snack in work. Then some lettuce salad, which I can mix in the salad, quinoa, then blueberries. I'm excited, finally I bought a black sesame seeds, couscous, grapes for the fruit plate, spring onion from the garden. We have here some cheddar cheese, walnuts, bacon, red beet, which I want to make salad with, watermelon, rapeseed oil, eggs, cherries, pineapple. We have here some vanilla yogurt with high protein. It has 20 grams of protein and I like to eat it for a snack in the afternoon or after my workout. Yes, it's really tasty. Then we have here some goat cheese light for the salad with the red beet. Then we have here some mint from the garden. It smells so good. I am excited to use it in my lemonades. And that's about it. We can put it in the fridge and in the pantry room, and we are gonna fill up my food boxes, which are mostly empty, and it needs to be done. I got a little and very good tip. When I washed my fresh mint, I put it in a plastic bag and close it, and then it will last longer and stay fresh. Sometimes I feel this fridge could be a bit bigger, especially when you wanna keep your meals always fresh or when you wanna meal prep for a few days. But yes, for two people it's now okay. When I am gonna have kids and family, I would like to have this double fridge or something a bit bigger. And let's start with the food box organization. First are the black sesame seeds. Black sesame seeds contain many important trace and macrominerals as well as healthy fats, that may help lower your risk of heart disease. I think this is great. They are really healthy and I am excited to use them in my meals. Next, I am putting in the boxes my mee noodles. As I said before, I have already one recipe, chicken mee noodles with peanut sauce. I will link this below. Check it up. It's really tasty recipe. It's quick and that's what we like. After that, I will refill my basmati rice. I am buying always this rice from Lidl. This rice is quick to make. I always put 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water, and I think it needs always about 10 minutes to be done. The next product which I have here is spelt flour. I don't use flour very often because I don't bake at all. I don't bake often, I always say, because I don't have space for it and good baking machines, but I think that's just an excuse. I don't really wanna eat lots of sweets, but I would like to actually make in the future some maybe healthy versions of some cakes or some desserts. So if I am actually making something like that, whole grain oatmeal is literally my number one to go. I am literally eating it every work day. I just love my way how I am doing my oats, and I will definitely also share it with you guys. So stay tuned, subscribe for more videos. Here between I was making my lemonade because I got very thirsty. I love this lemonade. It is lemon juice, fresh lemon and mint and just water. The next to organize are my 2 vegan proteins. This is the vanilla flavor. I have also the chocolate flavor, and behind me it's my small cute food boxes shells, as my kitchen is small, but I like it how it turned. The bottom part of the shells needs to be yet organized better, but with the top one I am actually happy. And let's refill it now. I have these 2 protein boxes already long time in the pantry room, and I am thinking to take it out or refill it in the boxes in which I had already protein. So let's see how it goes. My idea was actually leave the protein in these jars because I quite like them, but the thing is they are too big and it didn't fit well, so at the end I have to put it in these boxes. And I wish it would go quickly like this. I forgot about my mee noodles, so let's just put it there. And there you go, the vanilla protein. Then I had actually 1 box left, so I decided to put there more mee noodles. I really like how it turned up. I will just show you quickly how looks the second lower part of the shells. That needs to be yet done, so if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. I would like to thank you for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments what do you think, and if you have any ideas about what you wanna see next, comment below. I will see you next time. Bye bye.